Ready for occupancy ba ang hanap mo? This property is for sale with a lot area of 228 square meters and floor area of 388 square meters. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Before we enter mga kabahay, ito nga po pala ang ating frontage area. So as you can see, meron tayo dito landscape na tiles sa ating flooring. Ito naman ang carport area. It can accommodate 2 cars. So this side naman is the pedestrian gate. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Welcome mga kabahay dito sa ating property. So upon entering, makikita nyo ang ating flooring is naka-non-skin tiles. Meron tayo ditong den, which is pwede nyong gamitin as entertainment area. So on the left side mga kabahay, as you can see, fully furnished po ito and meron itong included na aircon. Lahat po yan is included sa ating total package. Pwede nyo itong gamitin as entertainment room or office area. From this side mga kabahay, meron tayong setback papunta sa ating service area. So makikita nyo dito sa ating setback area, may mga plants na included dito sa ating turnover. May mga lamppost para sa additional accent ng ating property. Meron tayo ditong access papunta sa ating dining area. Ito naman po is storage area. Meron tayo ditong service area sa likod ng ating property. So makikita nyo may access tayo dito papunta sa ating kitchen area. So dito naman tayo mga kabahay sa ating carport area. As you can see, covered po ang ating carport area. Meron itong accent na PVC ceiling and then naka-non-skid tayo dito na tiles. It can accommodate 2 cars. And then meron tayo ditong access another way papunta sa ating kitchen area. Check natin nga kabahay ang ating property. So dito sa porch area natin, meron tayong accent sa wall which is made from PVC. Ang ating door is made of solid wood. Tara, pasukin natin. Welcome mga kabahay. So andito tayo ngayon sa ating living area. So as you can see sa living area natin, meron tayo ditong L-shaped na sofa. It is also included sa ating turnover. May maganda tayo ditong chandelier sa ating center. On this area naman is the dining area. So as you can see, ito po is also included sa ating turnover. It is a 8-seater dining table. So dito sa ating ground floor mga kabahay, meron tayong isang maid's room or guest room. So as you can see, it can accommodate a double-sized bed. And then ang good thing dito mga kabahay ay meron tayo ditong own toilet and bath. So hindi nyo na po kailangan lumabas para mag-sleep. On this area mga kabahay, as you can see, meron tayo dito malaking mirror na additional accent sa ating living area. So on this area naman is another toilet and bath. Dito naman tayo mga kabahay sa ating kitchen area. So as you can see sa kitchen area natin, meron tayong center island na included upon turnover. Lahat po ng nakikita nyo dito, including the refrigerator is also included. And then on this area is meron naman tayo ditong cooking area. May range hood na rin siya nakasama. And then meron pa rin tayong separate na dirty kitchen on the side. Ito naman ang access natin papunta sa ating dirty kitchen mga kabahay. So as you can see, another set of dining table dito on the side. Meron tayo ditong sink and then meron tayo ditong another gas range and range hood. So another access naman papunta sa ating parking area. On this area naman mga kabahay is the second bedroom here at the ground floor. So pwede nyo ito i-convert as maid's room or storage area. Pero included na rin po ang ating bed and aircon alternative. Hi kabahay! So andito tayo ngayon sa ating staircase area. So as you can see sa staircase area, ito pong ating staircase is made of concrete and tiles. Meron tayo ditong wide window for additional lighting and then the chandelier is also included upon turn. Meron tayo ditong hand railings and naka-tempered glass po ang ating side railings. Welcome here sa bedroom number 1 sa ating second floor. So as you can see, ito po ay kaya mag-accommodate ng single size bed. Meron tayong built-in cabinet. And ang good thing dito sa ating bedroom ay meron itong sariling toilet and bath. Let's check bedroom number 2 here at the second floor. So as you can see, bedroom number 2 kaya mag-accommodate ng single size bed. And another good thing is meron pa rin itong own toilet and welcome to bedroom number 3 here at the second floor mga kabahay. So upon entering, meron tayo dito toilet and bath sa ating right side. And on this area naman mga kabahay, meron tayo ditong single size bed. And then, ang good thing pa rin dito, complete finish po and complete ang furnitures na included upon turnover. So welcome here mga kabahay sa ating master's bedroom. So upon entering, makikita nyo meron tayo ditong included na reclined chair. Meron tayo ditong double size bed. Ang ating pong flooring is naka-carpet. And then, ang good thing, meron tayong master's toilet and bath. Sa master's toilet and bath natin mga kabahay, meron tayong walk-in closet, bathtub, and shower enclosure para sa ating shower area. Check naman natin mga kabahay ang ating balcony area. So dito sa ating balcony area, meron tayo ditong coffee table na included. And then ang ating flooring is naka-dress up for artificial grass. Ang ating pong bedroom number 3 ay merong access dito na sliding door. So makikita nyo maaliwalas ang ating balcony area at napakaluwag. So pwedeng-pwede dito mag-set up ng gatherings. And then on this area naman, meron din tayong additional access straight to your master's bedroom. If you are interested to view this property mga kabahay, just send us a message at 0916-518-4710. So from this area mga kabahay, makikita nyo ang main road ng ating property going to the guardhouse and main gate ng ating subdivision, which is located lamang here at Anabu, Imus, Cavite, beside SNR Imus. So please send us a message now. Thank you for watching.